What do you want? Eden, what's wrong? Eden. Eden, what's wrong? I want ice cream. Can you say hi to King Peepaw? I'm going to send this to him. Who's that? His grandpa. Oh, I'm sorry. The floor is dirty. You should get off the floor. You're faking it. You're not even really crying. I love you, baby.